Hello little artist. Welcome to Little Cute Drawing. First we need a black marker. Draw frost ice cream. Here is the line and the upper line and straight and go back and then parallel. Draw this. Yay, this is first ice cream. Let's decorate it. We draw the midline of the first ice cream. It's done. Then we draw a line. Simply we draw V. Join it. It's like a watermelon. Here is the seed of watermelon ice cream. Here it is. This is the stick of the ice cream. First we draw two parallel lines and then join it. This is third. First we draw a line and second line is parallel of the first line. Then join it. Very easy and simple. We draw the stick. First we draw two parallel lines and join them. Then we decorate the middle part of the ice cream with these two lines. We redraw it. Let's color the ice cream. First we took orange. This is orange color. Let's draw it. First one is complete. Next is orange color. Let's draw. This ice cream delicious. Wow, the red color ice cream is more delicious. It looks wonderful. This is red color. Let's color it. Draw with me very carefully. Yes, it's done. The down portion of this ice cream is green like watermelon. This is a watermelon ice cream. Wow, it looks like original watermelon. Let's draw the other one. This is deep green color. This is deep green color. This ice cream looks awesome. The ice cream coloring is completed. Next we color the stick. This is brown color. This also brown color. Watermelon ice cream stick is brown. Hooray! Wow! The three ice cream looks delicious. Kids, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.